Hi, this is Jeanette with QB Winery Solutions, and today I'm going to answer one of the questions that I get a lot, and that is, will QuickBooks handle inventory? And yes, absolutely, QuickBooks does handle inventory. It handles inventory very well. And let's head on over to QuickBooks and I'll show you what it looks like. Here we are at QuickBooks. Now, to handle inventory correctly, you need to follow 3 of the 5 fundamental tasks. So the 5 fundamentals are the 5 things that you need to do correctly in order to use QuickBooks in the wine industry. In order for inventory to work correctly, first you need to set up inventory the right way, and then you need to select a method to enter the point of sale sales, and these are the sales that are coming from an external program. Maybe it's a shopping cart. And you also have to record the samples, pours, and shrinkage correctly. If you do these 3 tasks correctly, then your inventory will be accurate. And what you'll end up with is a report. We go to reports, we go to inventory, and we go to the inventory evaluation summary report. And I'm going to back this up to 123111 because that's where my data is. And in this report, you will see the SKUs, which in QuickBooks are the items. You'll see the quantity on hand, and in this case, the unit of measure for this file is bottles. You'll see the cost, and then you'll also see the total asset value. And the other thing that will happen when you do inventory correctly is this report shows a total value of $171,000 in case goods. This will actually match the balance sheet. So let's have a look at the balance sheet. Scoot that over. And here's my balance sheet. So here's my balance sheet, and here's my case goods. There's my total case goods, 171,492.52. That's the same number as my total inventory. And that's what we want to see. Not only do we want to have a report that tells us how much is on hand and what the cost is, we want this report to tie to our balance sheet. In the Using QuickBooks in the Wine Industry course, I explain the steps to setting up these 3 tasks and walk you through how exactly to set these up using screenshots. So there we have it. Yes, QuickBooks will track inventory. You have to follow the 3 steps. So head on over to my website, www.qbwinerysolutions.com. Join the Silver Club. That'll give you access to all my courses, including the Using QuickBooks in the Wine Industry, which is the fundamental program. Cheers.